Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm The Natural One and this is another one-stop watch video. So you guys, this is my rosemary after 1 week. Clearly I did something wrong. I didn't change the water as often or something. Since I saved some of the rosemary from the package that I bought from BJ's, this is the rest of it here, and I also planted 2 rosemaries in the dirt so that way I can see if I would get better results that way. I took out the basil and the mint that I had in this jar with the rosemary and I put it in a separate container since the rosemary water needs to be changed often. So next week will be week 1 of the start over rosemary, and this week is a throwaway. So you guys, if you have any tips for me, please feel free to leave a comment down below. Now I want to take this time to shout out my new subscribers and my old ones, of course. I'm up to 47, so I'm getting close to my little 50. I want you to know that you are really appreciated here, so thank you so much. So let's get into this video, you guys. So up next we have the mint. Week 13, and it's looking so good, you guys. Mint is really easy to grow. I didn't have no problems like I did with the rosemary. Moving on to week 14, mystery seed. Now I believe I know what this is now, you guys. Do you know? If so, leave a comment down below. Next we have corn in the milk crate update week 14, you guys. The pink arrow is pointing to the tassel ear, that's what I believe it's called, and the other arrows are pointing to just the ears that I have. Here I'm showing you a cucumber, and that's the cucumber that I harvested today, and it was good also, nice and crunchy. Moving on to week 18 seedlings, and this is the crate with the tomatoes and the onions, and I also showed the crate with the tomatoes and the basil in it. I just don't show the basil. I wasn't sure where the spider was at, and also I didn't grab my umbrella, so it was pretty hot out and I just wanted to be quick. Now we have the dill, zucchini, and watermelon container, and it's not looking good, so it's not really much to see, but I did plant new zucchini and watermelon. Up next is the radishes that I'm letting to go to seed, and I'm going to do a video on me harvesting the seeds. And now my cauliflower was doing good, you guys, and I've been busy this weekend, and look what happened. Something's been eating it up, so I don't know. But I will say that my tower here is doing very well, which consists of eggplants and different types of peppers, and I believe I have a habanero pepper coming. Now we have the herb garden, which consists of spinach, lettuce, thyme, and kale. Moving on to the ginger, and the ginger looks really good, you guys. So if you made it this far in the video, please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on any of my updates, which I post consistently. For more videos like this, click here.